Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we're going to assess if we can tell if the solution is acidic, basic, or neutral for the following molecules. In order to understand it, we need to know that the pKa's for the amino part of the molecule, for the NH3 plus slash NH2 pair, is going to be of approximately 9 to 9.8 or even all the way to 10 in different amino acids. So let's say that the pK is corresponding from 9 to 10. And contrary to that, the pK of the carboxylic acid portion is going to be approximately 1.8 to a range of all the way to 2.5. So in this case, what we can know is that the pH is going to be higher than 2.5, but lower than 9. So in this case, we cannot know because the pKa corresponding to the amino part is going to tell us that we're going to have the possibility of pH 6, 7, 8. All of these are going to be possible pHs, and as you can see, this one is acidic, this is neutral, and this is going to be basic. And in all of those pHs, the molecule is going to have the same form. So in this case, it is going to be unknown. Now, in this case, what is going to occur is that we're going to have a deprotonated version of the amine and a protonated version of the amine, which implies that the pH is going to be higher than 9. And over here, the pH needs to be also higher than 2.5. So what is going to happen is that this is going to be a basic environment directly. There is going to be no other possibility. Now, for the next scenario, the carboxylic acid is going to be protonated. So that means that the pH is going to be lower than 2.5 at least. And the amine is going to be also protonated. So the pH needs to be lower than the value for the pKa, lower than 9. So this is going to be an acidic environment. And finally, over here, we're going to have the same case as the first scenario, since this section implies that the pH is going to be higher than 2.5, and this section over here implies that the value for the pH is going to be lower than 9. So since we're going to have several possibilities, this is not going to be possible to assess which one is the correct. And actually, I think that this amino acid is alanine, so the exact pHs would be 9.87 and 2.35. So, also an unknown. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.